7 Basic Survival Skills You Can Learn in Your Own Backyard. Learning survival skills in your backyard is a safe and easy way to prepare yourself before heading out into the wilderness. 1. Building a fire. A fire can keep you warm, ward off predators, and provide heat for cooking. Building a fire can be harder than it looks, especially if the weather is damp or overcast or in a survival situation when you have few or no supplies. 2. Creating potable water. Sourcing clean drinking water is perhaps the single most important skill needed in a survival situation. Unfortunately, natural water sources are not always hygienic and can harbor parasites, viruses, and bacteria. 3. Foraging for food. It's surprising how many edible wild plants are available in your backyard farm or around your neighborhood. In a survival situation, plants are a vital source of nutrients that can provide a low-impact source of energy. 4. Tying knots. An often overlooked skill, knot tying can help your chances of survival by helping you build a shelter, set snares, and create tools. Learning how to tie secure knots takes time and practice, so grab a rope and brush up on your knot tying skills. 5. Building a shelter. Searching for shelter is one of the first tasks to accomplish if you get lost in the wilderness, but a safe place to keep out of the elements can be hard to find. Put your childhood fort building skills to good use and practice constructing a makeshift shelter in your backyard. 6. Basic first aid. When you're out in the wilderness, it can be difficult for emergency services to reach you if you are sick or injured. Understanding and being able to administer first aid may save your life or the life of someone you love. 8. Fishing and trapping. Setting a snare to catch small game and survival fishing are essential skills that allow you to obtain valuable sources of protein with little energy expenditure. Snares and fishing techniques vary, depending on your prey, so it is important to practice setting a variety of different snares and deploying a range of fishing techniques so you are prepared for any situation.